ongoing thing.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Christo, and welcome to a different video on my channel. You guys have probably seen before or not seen, there's a video on my channel called Penguin Bot Speed Code. And that was just when I sat down and recorded myself coding small commands on my Penguin bot. But I've known how to code Discord for a while, and I couldn't be here without some of the people that have helped me code, which would be pretty much Jake. Jake is one of the main people that has taught me to code, as well as some YouTube tutorials, but Jake is probably the main one. Anyway, so in order to get started by coding your Discord bot, you're going to need something called node.js. And this is what's going to fuel your Discord bot, so to speak. So I would download the latest stable, whatever S means. This might, if you want to download this you can, but I'd recommend you download this because it's the stable build. And I forgot to do this, but I use Visual Studio Code, right here. So you can just download the stable build of Visual Studio Code. You can use other IDEs like, I'm trying to think. You can even use Notepad to code Discord bots. You can use JetBrains or IntelliJ or stuff like that, but I use Visual Code Studio because that's what I'm most comfortable with. So once you download Node, you're going to want to go to your desktop and create a new folder. You can use whatever you want. I'm just gonna name mine Igloo. So I'm gonna open it, and then there's nothing here. So you're gonna click Shift on your keyboard if you're on Windows, and right click, and click Open PowerShell window here. So this will not work unless you've downloaded Node Package Manager. So this is NPM, which stands for Node Package Manager, init. Click enter. So this is your package name. So I'm just gonna name mine Igloo. Version 1.0.0. Description, YouTube tutorial, and Igloos. Entry point. I'd recommend this is always called index.js. I wouldn't call it anything other than index.js. Test command, blah. Get repository, you don't need that. You don't need test command either. You don't need keywords, you don't need author. You don't need license. You really don't need any of those except your entry point, package name, stuff like that. Yes. So now you want to do npm install discord.js -- save. So this grabs Discord's libraries. So that was pretty fast because I have a very beefy computer. So now you're done. That's it. All your stuff is here. So what you can do now is you can open up Visual Studio Code. As see, I'm gonna drag mine over. I have mine right here. So I do is I just drag it. I just take it and I drag it like this. So now you have everything here. So actually, welcome X. So what I like to do, since this thing's gonna work, hello, add folder. But if I drag it over here, that's weird. I'm just gonna try and drag this whole thing over here. Anyway, so I'm gonna click new file and call this index.js. It's under node modules. Yes. And you're also gonna need another one called botconfig.json. So new file bot. I'm just gonna call it config.json. Just because it's easier. I'll full screen that for you. So what you want to do now is this index is your main file. This is where everything, it's going to call your command, it's going to get your command classes, your event classes. It's basically going to get everything. So the first thing you want to do, in every command folder that you create, even this one, you want to do const, so it's your constant, it's constantly, oh, this is the wrong one, this is, being this one. Const, this is constantly calling this class, Discord, equals require, if I can spell, discord.js, lowercase d. And this is getting the Discord libraries which we just installed. So now we're going to do const client equals new discord.client. And this is your bot. Your bot is your client. Now we're going to do const config equals require. So this is grabbing your config.json that we created a second ago. So we named this, you have to put a dot, a slash, and we named it config.json. So now we need a command handler. People love, actually we should probably get the bot online first. So we're gonna do client.on ready async parentheses parentheses. Now we're gonna do, I can get rid of this one actually. No, we can't. li2. I'm gonna do equal. We're gonna do this little arrow function thingy. I barely even know what it does, to be honest with you. Console.log. This, you can name whatever you want. So this is going to log to your terminal that the bot is online. So Igloo bot is online. And then this can be, so now we're gonna set an activity. So this is your bot, what it's doing. You know how some people say like playing Minecraft under their name, or playing Fortnite, or doing whatever. So we're gonna do client being our bot, .user, .set activity. And then you can name this whatever you want. So Christo, I'm gonna write Christo code. And this is your type. So type colon, I'm gonna do watching. So this will say watching TTCHING, watching Christo code. But if you were to do playing, you could put playing right here, and you could do playing Subnautica or whatever really. So now we have to go in our bot config, and so we want to do open bracket, click enter twice, and token. So in order to get your token, you have to go to here, and then you want to go to developer my portal. I was already trying to test this out. Hold up 2 seconds. So you're going to do a new application. You can name this whatever you want. I'm just going to name it Igloo. And you want to go down to bot. You want to go click add bot. Yes, do it. I'm going to click copy. It doesn't, so you just reveal your token. This token won't work when I upload this video, just saying. So there's really no point in copying it. But you click Control C on your keyboard. Go over to config. And then you just want to parentheses, and then this, you want to put a comma. So we're not done yet. And then you're going to do prefix. You know the prefixes on mainstream bots like Meeseeks and Dino that are like help and stuff like that? Well, that's what this is. So we're just gonna name it this. And that's it for your bot config. That's literally it. So in theory now, we have to go back to our index file and do client.login config.token. So this is calling our config and getting the token. So let me just explain what all this does real quick. So when the client is ready, our client being our bot, remember client equals the bot, it's setting the activity and then it's turning on. So we're going to go to terminal, new terminal, and to start your bot, it's down here, node index.js. Let me pull this up a little bit. Cannot find module index.js, igloo index.js. What? Hello? Let me just F5. No. Oh, what did that do? I have no idea what that did. Oh, Igloo bot is online. Okay. Well, now we need to invite it to our server. So you want to go get your client ID. This link will be in the description, and basically just authorize it. And you want to replace your client ID where it says client ID. It'll look something like this. It'll probably look something like this. And you want to replace that with the client ID you just go and grab. And I'm going to do bot testing. Authorize. I'm not a robot. And if you So as you can see, if I drag my Discord over here, Ready Player Igloo, and as you can see, it's online. So that would get your bot online. So now we're going to do a command handler. Honestly, the most important thing is having a command handler. If you don't have a command handler, then that sucks. Like, I honestly feel bad. So we're going to go up here. This is a lot, and it's kind of hard for me to explain because, honestly, so you're going to make a new folder called events. You're also going to make a new folder called commands. Correct. Yes. And you want to move these out of node modules, so to the top preferably. If I can do that, hello. Node, where do they go? Yes. Commands, and then we're going to move events out of there as well. So we're going to do fs, fs, yes. I don't know why auto feels like that. Dot read dir, which stands for read directory, dot slash events. Now I'm going to do parentheses AERR, stands for error, files. I'm going to do another arrow function, and then an open bracket, like that. So if error, if there's an error, we're going to return to the console that there's an error. So if there's an error, it returns to the console and then it prints what the error was. So files.for each file, that's what that means. For each file, we're going to let event function equal require backticks dot events dot slash events slash file and then semicolon. So what this is doing is you have to use backticks. Backticks are the ticks below your escape key. We're using an object here, and every time you use an object, you have to use backticks. So then we're gonna do let event name equal file.split. I'm gonna put a dot and I'm gonna put a 0. But we're not gonna do it like that. We're gonna go outside this parentheses and then put a 0 and then put that. I'm gonna do client.on event name, comma, parentheses dot args. Go outside this equals arrow function event function dot run client args. No client, and then go back dot args. No idea what the dots do. I literally have 0 idea what the dots do. Don't know why they're there. And then just put that there. You can put your semicolons here, Do not put that there, actually. Put this there. Nope. That. Yes, sir. Okay. So now we're going to go down here. So this is just looking for our events folder. If there's nothing in there, it's going to refer to our commands folder now. So we can actually do, okay. We're going to get rid of all these spaces because they're useless. I'm going to go below this and do const args equals message.content.slice config.prefix.length and then .trim.split plus /g semicolon split, and that's I. Slice. I'm gonna do slice and not slide. They're gonna do const command equal args dot shift dot to lower case. So we're gonna try something. This is what we're trying. So we're gonna do 2 spaces. It doesn't really matter how many spaces. You're gonna go try. You're gonna do let command file equal require backticks because we're using an object. We're going to use an object here in a second. Commands / command.js. Every command that you make will be the command name and then .js. Go to command file .run client message args. semicolon. I'm going to do, so this is where we're going to catch an error. So we're going to go right here. Catch error. No, we definitely don't want to do that. We're gonna do these. Don't do those. So I'm gonna do console.error err. So this is catching. If there's an error with this, it's going to catch the error. So now that we have our commands, we're going to do commands, new file, or it's going to do egglue. It doesn't matter what you call this. So we're going to do, remember we always call Discord, so const Discord equal require discord.js semicolon. So this is when it runs it. So remember we just wrote client message args. Gonna do our arrow function thingy, and then that. So now I can do exports.help equals bracket name colon quotations egglue. This right here, this egglue always has to match your name as the JS file, or you'll get an error. So when we type egglue, it's going to send the channel a message and say egglues are where penguins live. Return false. And that's it. So we control S this, we go back down to our terminal, do node index.js, Cannot find, I think it's still on though. Anyway, so we're gonna go over here, let's make sure it works, /egglue. Okay, this is because this bot is on. Hold on guys, I'm sorry. We're actually gonna go change this because my other bot is getting interfered. Cancel. We can change that to that. And then node index.js. And then egglue. Oh guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I found the issue of why it wasn't working. It wasn't working because our index.js and our config.js were in the node modules folder, and that just doesn't work. So you have to drag them out. Here, I'll just drag them back in. Move. Okay, no, we're not gonna do that because we don't want to mess it up again. Anyway, so now that we go to terminal, we can go to new terminal because I just closed my egglue. It's on the side over here because it's a different node. And then it'll say bots on. I changed it, but you can do when you go to index, it'll just say bots on. You can change it to whatever. So I'm on now, yay. Control C, just kills it. Node index.js, I'm on now, yay. It's the thing that we just put right here. So if we go to Discord and we type, let's make it this screen instead. We do !egglue. Oh, !egglue. Egglues are where penguins live. So you see this double message thing? That is because we're doing it here. Now if you want to fix that, you can go down here, go into where you put it, make a new text document. You don't have to name it everything. And type in node index.js. Cancel. And then you click file, save as, run.bat. Just click save. So now you should be able to cancel this. Oh, delete it. I meant delete. Run. Node index.js. I'm on now, yay. And then you can click, and you can do egglue, and it'll send it. Okay, we're just gonna restart the bot because I think it's open both places. I think that's the issue here. Yeah. So we're gonna kill it. Just by clicking Control C, it kills it. Okay. Egglue. And it still give me double messages. Okay, that's fantastic. Okay, because it's still on. We're just gonna close it entirely. Stop. How do I stop you? Oh, save. Okay, exit that out. Just gonna fix this double message real quick. Egglue. Egglues are where penguins live. So, and that is the end of the video. I know that was a bit hard to follow. We've run into a little bit issues, but I mean, next I feel like we needed to do the command handle in the first episode because command handlers are so important, and a bunch of YouTube tutorials have you putting your commands in your index file and then moving it all, and that's no fun. You can just do it at the start and it'll work just fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Skyblock is next. Skyblock is the next video. And then we're just gonna rotate Skyblock, Discord, and it's probably not gonna be daily, but we'll see. Next episode, we're probably going to do just server commands, and we're just gonna keep getting advanced, like moderation commands, kick, ban, hooking into databases and stuff like that. As I learn, you guys will learn. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like, and